In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkout for Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First off, let's head over to Canva. You can do this by simply typing canva.com in your browser's address bar. Canva is a fantastic platform, well regarded for its user-friendly interface that caters to both amateurs and seasoned designers alike. It's perfect for creating stunning visuals effortlessly. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. It should be prominently displayed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new to Canva, you will need to sign up, a process that's straightforward and quick. After logging in, you'll be brought to your Canva home. This is your command center where all your design projects and tools are easily accessible. Next, you need to navigate to the project section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side panel. It's quite intuitive. Click on it and you'll see a list of all your current design projects. From here, you'll want to select a project that you wish to add the checkout functionality to. This could be a newly created project or an existing one. Once you have your project open, it's time to get creative. You're now going to utilize Canva's vast array of design elements to enhance your project. Look for the Elements tab, which is also located in the left-hand menu. Click on Elements, and this is where the real fun begins. Elements in Canva encompass a wide array of resources like shapes, graphics, photos, videos, and more. For our checkout design, you are looking for a specific element called the Buy Now button. In the element search bar, type Buy Now button and press Enter. This search will yield a variety of button designs for you to choose from. These buttons are designed with e-commerce in mind, providing a clear call to action for your audience. Pick one that fits your design aesthetic and drag it onto your canvas. Once you have your Buy Now button in place, take a moment to adjust its size and position it where it best fits within your design. Canva makes it easy to resize and move elements with their intuitive drag and drop feature. You can also customize the button's colors and fonts to align with your brand, ensuring consistency and visual appeal. And there you have it, a custom checkout design tailored to your Canva website, adding an essential e-commerce element with ease. Remember, the key to a successful design is not only functionality, but also making sure it aligns visually with your overall project theme. Happy designing, and I hope this was helpful.